Hey everyone, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatexhomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Wednesday morning forecast update. Look across the region as we have mostly clear skies in place this morning. Nice shot of the moon there in Texarkana. And for many of us, this will be the coldest morning of the week, and we're still anticipating the potential for those strong to severe storms on Friday, late Friday into Saturday. I'll touch on that at length here in just a moment, but to get you through your Wednesday, starting out in the 20s and 30s. I think most of us will be at freezing or a few degrees below at sunrise, so maybe a little frost on the car this morning. May want to give yourself just a few extra minutes to do a light scrape on the windshield, and you can see satellite and radar across the region, high pressure scooting off to the east. So that's what is going to start to change our weather pattern today, as the south wind will really start to move in off the Gulf of Mexico and start to set the stage for some rain and some thunderstorms here in the upcoming days. Your highs today should be a very nice afternoon for us, as we'll top out in the mid to upper 60s. So it will feel great. We'll likely see increasing clouds a little bit later, and we are going to see the wind speeds increase after the noon hour. We could be looking at some breezy conditions at times. So here is the dip in the jet stream, or the upper level low, that will eventually bring that chance of some severe thunderstorms late Friday into Saturday. Out ahead of that, that's the reason the winds will start to increase, as the upper level flow in the atmosphere just kind of turns to the southwest. So here's a look at FUTURECAST that shows plenty of sun this morning. I actually think the clouds will start to roll in a little bit sooner than what FUTURECAST is showing, so have gone partly cloudy with the forecast today, but it gets the general idea that it is going to turn mostly cloudy to overcast late today into tonight. We are looking at some rain for your Thursday. It won't be a lot of it, very light accumulations here, and we could see a few thunderstorms as well, just given that the temperatures will be in the upper 60s and low 70s tomorrow. But the main event, just as far as the rain and thunderstorms, still expected to roll in on Friday. So here is the Storm Prediction Center's outlook. They have all locations in the enhanced risk here for the Arklatex. So what that means for us is that we do have the potential to see numerous to potentially some widespread severe weather, and a lot of it could be very dangerous for us, as we are looking at the widespread threat of some damaging wind gusts. We do have a very high tornado threat as well, and we'll likely see a line of thunderstorms develop. And out ahead of that line of thunderstorms, we could actually see some of those tornadic supercells on Friday. But within the line itself, damaging wind will be the main threat. But just given the atmospheric conditions, we could see some spin-up tornadoes along that main line of thunderstorms Friday afternoon through Saturday morning. So here's a look at Robin's Toyota FUTURECAST, which I think is probably a little bit early as far as the timing of the front, but it does show some of those thunderstorms popping up right around the noon hour or so, and you'll see that line begin to take shape as we go into the afternoon. So my initial reaction is that maybe it's running a few hours early, but either way, after the noon hour Friday, that's when we all need to be kind of weather aware across the region, and you can see that line of storms making its way through much of the Arklatex for your Friday evening and into Friday night. So it is possible we'll be dealing with some of these severe storms through early Saturday morning, and possibly even towards sunrise on Saturday, just given the slow movement that we're anticipating with this. But you see some lingering showers through the day Saturday. Do think that severe weather threat will come to an end pretty early for the Arklatex as we go through your Saturday morning. There will be some areas maybe just off to the east that still have severe weather threat, but will begin to clear out late in the day Saturday. Should salvage a pretty nice Sunday, but we will need the chance to dry out here, as we're still looking at quite a few areas likely going to see 2 to 4 inches of rain. So we do have an isolated flash flood threat as far as what we're looking at Friday and Saturday as well. Some of that rain will fall Thursday, but the majority of it will come Friday afternoon through early Saturday morning. So if you do have travel plans early Saturday, get 2 to 4 inches of rain. We'll have a lot of water on the roadways, and again, not a widespread flood threat, but definitely could see some isolated issues as far as flash flooding develop late Friday into early Saturday. So we'll salvage Sunday. Sunday we'll see temperatures in the upper 50s and low 60s, be able to get outside if you have outdoor plans. Sunday should be just fine for that. We do have another system on the way, so we are looking at the chance of maybe some late day showers south of I-20 Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, still a little bit of uncertainty with how far north the rain will push here, but there are some of the ingredients to see some strong thunderstorms as well through the middle of next week. So once we get through Friday, that will be something that we focus on as we head into next week. But again, make sure you're weather aware, make sure you know where your safe spots are Friday if a tornado warning is issued, and just kind of brush up on your safety plan with your family here in the upcoming days.